ikorwo makiiga miro yao thi na ni angikorwo thirikari ya kaunti ino ni gukorwo ikiaga kumariha marihi ma micaara ya orodumwe na guthingicira mathina kana mathina maria maikoretwo makigerera wira-ini wao. Akiaria thutha wa mucemanio wa mwandiki mukaru wa gikundi kana wa kiama kia marigitari KMPDU niwe Davji Bhimji akiugite ati thirikari ni ikoretwo ikiaga gukorwo ikimariha micaara iria maikoretwo makirengwo ya omuhaka micaara-ini yao na kwaga uguo kana kwa thirikari ino yakiaga gukinyaniria mathina mao ni maikorwo makiiga miro yao thi.
Today we have met with the consultants and doctors in Embu County to agitate for the poor working conditions that have been witnessed in Embu County for the last 10 years. We expected that there will be a change with the change of governor in Embu County, but we are sending a very stern warning to Madam Cecily Barriere because doctors in Embu County have not been promoted for the last 10 years. We are aware that she has taken the mantle of leadership just for the last 8 months, but we want to send a warning because even within this particular 8 months, there is no step that has been taken by the county government of Embu towards solving the crisis of shortage of doctors in Embu County, promoting doctors in Embu County, payment of statutory deductions. To deduct your money and not submit it in your bank.
Look, recommendations is the doctor to patient ratio to be 1 to 1,000. But there's about 80 doctors with 1.2 million. So therefore, it means that Embu County should have the doctors. So there's a big shortage of doctors in this country, the same way it is in all other counties in the country. But employment, we were doing a tabulation how
Ngao cia mwanya muno ni tondu wa riboti ona tugukihoka ati ona thirikari ya kaunti ya Embu ni gukorwo ikiingirira niguo